Hi and welcome back to freesciencelessons.co.uk. By the end of this video, you should be able to describe the effect of changing concentration on a reversible reaction at equilibrium. And this is for higher tier students only. In the last video, we saw that some reactions are reversible, and I'm showing you an example here. We saw that if we carry out a reversible reaction in a sealed container, none of the reactants or products can escape. At some point, the forward and reverse reactions occur at the same rate, and scientists call this point equilibrium. So in this video, we're looking at what happens to equilibrium if we change the conditions. Here's the first key fact. If a system is at equilibrium and a change is made to the conditions, then the system responds to counteract the change. Now, we're using the word system here, but it's okay to simply say the reaction. Scientists call this Le Chatelier's principle. Now, the best way to show this is to use examples. Take a look at this reaction. In this reaction, the compound NO2 is reacting to form N2O4. Now, this is a reversible reaction, so the N2O4 can also react to form NO2. So the question is, what will happen if we increase the concentration of NO2? In other words, add more NO2 into the system. Remember that at equilibrium, the system will counteract any changes that we make. So if we change the concentration of the reactants or the products, then the system is no longer at equilibrium. In other words, the forward and reverse reactions are not taking place at the same rate. This means that the concentrations of all the substances will change until equilibrium is reached. So in this case, because we've increased the concentration of NO2, more N2O4 will be formed until equilibrium is reached again. Here's a question for you to try. What would happen if we decrease the concentration of N2O4? Pause the video and try this yourself. Okay, so in this case, because we've decreased the concentration of N2O4, the system is no longer at equilibrium. Therefore, more NO2 will react to form N2O4 until equilibrium is reached again. Here's another question for you. What would happen if we increase the concentration of N2O4? Again, pause the video and try this yourself. Okay, again, because we've increased the concentration of N2O4, the system's no longer at equilibrium. So now more N2O4 will turn into NO2 until equilibrium is reached again. Remember, you'll find plenty of questions on the effect of concentration on reversible reactions in my revision workbook, and you can get that by clicking on the link above. Okay, so hopefully now you should be able to describe the effect of changing concentration on a reversible reaction at equilibrium.